At RECOM, we are always working toward our mission to simplify and accelerate the power supply development process. That's why we're thrilled to introduce a series of major drop-in technology upgrades to some of our most popular DC-DCs and switching regulators. Thanks to advanced circuit techniques and manufacturing automation, RECOM can offer machine-built, easily configurable converter solutions that enhance performance without a price premium. The R78K series, designed as drop-in replacements for 3-terminal linear regulators, now include a wider input range, more output voltage options, and better efficiency. The 0.5A and 1A versions have smaller case sizes and lower weight. Next, the new RKK series offers upgrades to our existing RKE and RFMM series of 1-watt isolated SIP7 DC DCs. RKK features lower EMI, operating temperatures to 105 degrees Celsius with no derating, continuous short-circuit protection, and higher efficiency maintained to light loads. Plus, elimination of potting saves cost and nearly halves the weight to just 1.7 grams. Additionally, the new RYK series offers those same performance enhancements with a fully regulated output, upgrading the existing RY series. Fans of our popular regulated 4-to-1 input RSO line can now take advantage of the RSOK series. Improvements include higher isolation rating, more robust isolation grade, and a wider input voltage range. Similarly, the new RSK RUW series offers improvements to our RSE series. 3K VDC 1-minute isolation is up from 2K VDC 1 second. Efficiency is 88.5% over 79%, and 4-to-1 input range is now 8-to-1. Last but certainly not least, the new RS3KZ series provides upgrades to the RS3E series. The new K version features a 4-to-1 input range, upgrading from 2-to-1, and 3kV basic isolation compared with 3kV functional isolation. It also offers a wider operating temperature range to plus 80 degrees Celsius without derating, lower isolation capacitance, and better efficiency. To learn more and order samples, visit recom-power.com/K-series.